Hello, 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 and welcome to Adele's Lego. Adele's Lego. I'm here. I'm building Lego. I cannot wait. I can't. I'm so excited. I am. I'm building a big one. Now, before we get started on that, don't forget to give me a like and give me a subscribe. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Share me to your Lego community because this channel needs to be loved. It does. It's an amazing channel, even if I do say so myself. But I'm loving building Lego. I am. It's brilliant. Now, give it a like and subscribe like I said. But then in the comments below, comment if you want me to build the Creator Harley Davidson, the VW Beetle, the VW Campervan, or the equivalent in size of Lego Friends. So you've got 4 choices: Harley Davidson motorbike, VW Beetle, VW Campervan, or Lego Friends. Yes. Now the reason I'm asking you to do that is because I'm going to go live to build one of those. But I need to know which one you want me to build. But for today, with a quick drink, big drum roll. I've got my Sprite. My Sprite. In my M&M mug. I have some sustenance in my Lego mug. I have chocolate peanuts. Because this will have been the biggest one I've ever built. Because obviously I've not built my castle yet. But look, I don't know if I'm going to fit on with the box. I'm building. I don't think I'm going to. Just move up there a minute. 1 second. I am building. I dropped it. I'm building the Lego Assembly Square Creator Set. Yes, I am. Now it's for 16 plus. It's Assembly Square. Assembly Square is called. It's basically 3 buildings in one. And I built the diner. It's from the same set as the diner. It measures at 38 centimeters, 15 inches long, and 13.5 inches tall. It's got 4,002 pieces, and it's model number 10255. I've never built. It's the 10th anniversary modular building series as well, and it just looks. I want to show you the back. Look how awesome that is. That's what I gotta build. There. That's what I gotta build. Yeah. And you get quite a lot of figures of it as well, I think. You can get all these guys up. Now it is the most expensive in the creator kits because obviously it's the biggest, so it's gonna be the most expensive. So my plan is, because it is the biggest, I don't want to wreck the box. I'm building it for a friend. It's not mine. I don't get to keep. No, building it for a friend. It's like we swap Lego builds. I'm building him this, and he's building me Big Ben. I can't wait. But yeah, so it's like, I've got to be careful because he saves the boxes as well. I'm dreading the instructions in this. Ow. I am. Come on. Do you not want to be built? There we go. We're in. Right, so we're gonna, so because it is such a big build, I'm not gonna do it all in one go, obviously. That was the instructions. That was the instructions. That's the instructions book. We'll cry over that in a minute. Got a green board. So bags. We've got to unpack. There's a box. I don't understand. This is just bags to build. Seen a lot of 5s. Oh, there's some 6s here. I feel like The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Cause I'm reaching in, or maybe popping back. Or other, whatever movie reference you want. There's a box. There's a box. We'll put that there a second. I'm gonna climb in. up in the eyeball. Right. So I don't know what this box is. And you can't see all these bags, can you? My plan is I'm going to put it on a table beside me, the box. That is my plan. And then you can see what I'm building. So it's going to go there, even if that makes no sense. You can't really see it. Turn it that way. You can't really see it there. You can't. But you get the gist. Right, I don't know. So I want to sit there. I want to bring you down so you can see my table at the moment. That's my table. But I think they're only bags 5 and 6. 5 and 6. They're only bags 5 and 6. Yes. I have a feeling, I got a feeling that inside this box here, which I want to open up carefully. Yeah. Thought it was. This is opening up quite easily. These are bags 1, 2, 3 in there. So they're the ones that we're going to need first, aren't we? So what I'm going to do is we're going to open the time portal here. And we're going to put all bags 6, 5 back in the box. Now that to me proves how big this build is. It's a good job it's Lego and not breakable, isn't it? It just goes to show how big the build is because it's got it in 2 separate boxes. The bags. Ow. Kicked it. I'm gonna get down here. Right. Does that sit inside there? That would be really good if it did. Don't think it does. So why would you open that then? I don't know. Right. So, where were we? We've already done 7 minutes just unboxing. Right. Now, I want to organise bag 1 and 2. That's bag 1. Bag 2. Another 2 of these. Bag 3. Bag 2, bag 2. Bag 3. Bag 3. Bag 1. Bag 2s. Right. So we'll put all the 3s and 2s back in this box. I don't want to sit it on there. We will throw it on the bed. And there's only 3 bags for bag 1. That's good. We can live with that. That's the instructions. Look, I fit on with it. But that's the instructions. What? Anyway, it could be just 1 brick per page. Don't think it's gonna be, but it could be. Like I said, biggest build I've ever tried. Okay, so we're gonna move things out of the way because I need to bring you down easier than what I am doing. Alright, we're gonna look at the instructions together. Anybody for instructions? Look at them. So bag 1 does all that side. Bag 2, bag 3. You know something? To say how big it is, there's not, I don't know. Bag 5 and 6 and 4, there's a lot of bags. Bag 1 and 2 and 3, I don't think there's that many bags. First thing you do is you build up the base plates together. Can't see any people yet though. So I can see a pushchair in bag 1. Right. Seeing that the instructions are out, I'm gonna put another drink in. see me here being here for a while. But I am going to do them like in half-an-hour increments because it is such a big build. I don't want to do it. Let me just bring you up a second and explain this. I don't want to do it in such long builds that I get tired, so to speak. So I'm going to do it like half an hour. And my phone will be judging this for me on the time. Right, let's get the pieces set up and how I want them. So I know that the base plate is going to go there. That is where I'm working, on that big spot there. My instructions are going in front. I'm going to bring it back down so you can see how I'm setting up my table. You need a bigger table. Right, so instructions are going there. They might need to go over there a bit more. Like so. To open up. Like so. And you put the bags down that side, otherwise they'll just get in the way. Now, my biggest concern so far is all the pieces are the same colour. Two even littler bags look inside. That's how they get you. You think that there's not a lot of them, they put bags inside bags. That's cheating, Lego. That's proper cheating. I might put my mini ones over here now. My little pieces over here. That's your brick separator. That I've never ever figured out how to use. Never. But for bags number ones, you've got to use all these pieces for the first stage. Oh, I dropped a piece and I can't reach it at the moment. Hopefully I'll be able to reach it in a bit. Well, everything's... Deep breath. So I'm going to be working backwards way on, so I'm going to start here instead of here. Because I need to know what I'm doing, because otherwise I'll get confused very, very easily. Yes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to join the two boards together with 8 flat pieces. So 8 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. So right, that's where I was going to put the pieces that I would use each part. So straight away, I've done myself down. If we put them there like that, we're fine. And I've just dropped one. Okay, this is not going well. I'm dropping them already. So I can get this one, but I still can't get that one. Because of the box. Because of the box. Because of the big box. Right. So just click them in. Click in. Why are you not clicking in? There we go. Click. So they go all the way along the front. And now we're going to join up the green board. There we go. So I haven't told him that I'm building this for him yet. He knows I've got it, obviously. And he knows I'll be building it eventually. But he doesn't know that I'm building it yet. Because it's a surprise. And it's kind of like, I'm going to leave it on the table and go, hey, guess what? Surprise! I built it. And he'll be like, what? Okay. What? Yeah. So we're going straight onto the little bits now. So we need 21 of these really, really little bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, letting go of my hands. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, what I like about my channel is I don't skip ahead. I don't go really, really quick with my builds, as you can tell. But no, I do them in real time. So then if I make mistakes, it shows you how not to do it. I know that sounds daft, but it's true though. You can see how I do it in real time. Because when they fast forward it, it can like, you lose it all. And I've got to stop talking because I'm losing count. 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 21 of them. What else do we need? 2 of those black ones. 1 and 2. 2 flat ones. I've done 21 of them already. 3 of the ones that you normally put on a car for a grill on the front. 3 of them. The ones that you can never tell which ones they are until you pick them up. Those ones. Don't think they're over there. There they are. 1, 2, 3. They're really shiny. How shiny they are. Right, so I've got all the pieces for this next step. Believe it or not, that's a lot of pieces. Okay, so we're going to start from this side and work our way that way. Okay, so we start off with one of these. I'm going to do both rows at the same time. Or at least to start it off, I will anyway. And then I go 1, 2, 1, 2, put in a little silver grate. It is a sidewalk at the end of the day. And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 6 and 7, and then we're going to put in another grate, and then we're going to go 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now we're not putting a grate in, we're putting a black one in with one of the little ones above it, like so. And then we're going to go 2, 1 and 2. Then we're going to put a little one in with one of those going upwards. If I do all the weird little bits now, it's not as bad then. Then we're going to do one of these upwards again and then put the last grate in. So now you should have 4 left. I have 4 left. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. Right, now we're going to put these in. So we're going to just go straight along. These just go straight on. Because you put the little oddments in already, everything should fit straight in. So you've got 21 of these, and they should go straight along. Now I'm not liking the fact that I'm not joining up this board more with this. I think they've missed out on that straight away. Sorry, Lego. But I believe that they should have done it so it overlap there, so it'd make it stronger, because every time I'm putting something on this board it's moving. Now I know it won't separate, but it'd still be nice to stiffen it up. But with how big the box is that's beside me and how many bags you have, this is it. This is your space to build those 3 houses or those 3 buildings. So to be honest, it's not huge. It's not like, I don't know, it's not like Diagon Alley huge, is it? Diagon Alley is huge, but that's like, I think 5 buildings in one for one street. So there we go. That fits completely. Straighten that little one up a little bit. I'm loving having long nails at the moment. It makes it so much easier. Right, so now we can move on to the next step. We want a long one of them. So we need fiddly bits again. So 1, 2, 3 of those funny looking corner pieces. 4 blue ones, flat blue ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. 4 on this side now. 4 of the light grey flat ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Are they flat? Yep, they're flat ones. I should have 4 flat ones. So they're the tan colour one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single dots. I call them dots, but now they've brought out dots, so they're not dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 of them. There's a lot in this one. And 4 of those. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just imagine though, if they had to put this many pieces, how many pages there would be. Right, so now I've got to work from this end again. Right, oh, see, I've missed a piece. I've missed some that they need. I want 4 dark ones again. 1, 2, 3, 4 dark ones. And the reason I know that is because that's what I need first. So one's going up there, one's going there, because my long piece sits in there. This goes there, dark one again, go there. Ah, wait there, done that all wrong. Done that all wrong. Because I need to put another row of things in. So luckily, I do have long nails. Hopefully, I'll be able to get all these bricks up with my long nails. Yeah. How do you use these? Got that one off. That one off. And that one off. Okay, that's how you use a brick one. If you take anything away from me making a mistake, you'll know that that's how not to do it. So we've got a row of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the only reason I knew that was because of this brick here. That's got to go in there with one in the middle. That is the only reason I knew. That one goes there. There we go. So we can put this back in now. That's still not right. But now that I know how to use that, it's a lot easier when I make mistakes. Oh yeah, we're getting there. There we go. Right. We're moving. Oh, I broke my nail now though, look. I broke my nail. Let's have a quick drink. Excuse me. Right. So we want 2 of these in here. Again, we're not overlapping, so the board will not get secure yet. I don't believe I broke my nail. So that sits in there. There we go. Then we go up. I have the brown one. And that one. Oh, we're overlapping. Make sure we're secure together then. Aha, we've overlapped. We've actually overlapped, guys. Overlap again. How's that then? We overlapped. Now these go in all the four corners. And the blue ones filter around. And that's it. And we didn't need 3 of these, we only needed 1. And now my board is a bit more sturdier as well. Right, next page. Step 5. Step 5, step 5, step 5, step 5. Right, need a lot of pieces here again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2 of them. 1 and 2. 1 of them I just put back. 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 long ones. 1, 2. 1 of you. 1 of you. I know that one. 1 of you. And 1 of you. All those pieces there are just for this one step. Yes. So where do we go first? So 3 of these go in here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We needed 2 of these. Oh yeah, I've got 2 of these. So now that sits there. Goes up twice. Like so. I didn't get 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 now. That goes there. It's a bit like a jigsaw at the moment, you know, because you're putting in like all the base and everything for it. It just feels like a jigsaw, but at least with a jigsaw you don't get explanation, you just get a picture, don't you? At least with this you do get step by step explanation kind of thing. I'm liking it though. It does look very pretty so far. But then I'm a sucker for blocks and things like this, as you can tell. Right, so that's that part done, and I'm moving over here now. Okay. Now the bit where I'll probably mess up. the intricate bit. Why are they not going in? Don't think they're big enough. That's big enough. The longer ones. Oh, they're the same. Okay. Okay. So that's another step done. It's starting to kind of take shape, which is good. We're now going to move back on to grey ones to go here, because then you're going to have the fountain in the middle. These houses are not going to be very big at all. And there's a lot of intricacies inside the houses. A lot. Yes. So for this step we need 5 of these little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 of them. 3 of the corner ones. 1, 2, and 3. 21 flat ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, one more, 21. 21 of them, and 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. So first things first, we're going to mirror what we did on the other side there, like so. It is looking good, isn't it? I'm liking it. It's just a lot of work to go into it. It's all fun. That's the beauty of it. It's all fun. Right, so we need to do a row up to there of these ones. Then we want to put a corner piece in there. You've already got your little piece in. Corner piece in. And another little piece above it. Okay, so that makes that flat now and level. You want to go 1 up. Oh, sun's got in. Did you see the difference then in the daylight? The sun went. Because I've got my windows open. Yep, that's right there. Okay. 1 there. Now we want to leave a space and put a little one in. A little one, then a bigger one. And a little one going that way, above it. Two of these. Now these go along for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we're not overlapping so the board doesn't get any stiffer. 1 and 2. We are overlapping now then. But we're not. Oh, we're removing. No, we're not. We're overlapping still. Yep, corner piece. I have a piece. There. Goes there. Wow, that looks pretty funky. Look at that. That's where the fountain's going to go. That looks pretty funky. But one building's going there, one building's going there, one building's going there. So it goes to show, doesn't it? So I'm going to do one more step on this video. And then we will on to the next video. Then we'll go on to step 8. So step 7 I'm doing as the last one on this video. Okay. So I need one of them. 2 of these. 12 corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, one more, 12. 12 of them, and then 4 flat ones dark. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So let's start with these. So this goes over here, like so. Okay, so that's filled in there. Now we're going to do the inner circle of the fountain. So we've got to get this just right, otherwise it will not work in the slightest. So 1, 2, 3. Then that. Then we're going the other way now. 1, 2, 3. So far so good. That one. 1, 2, 3. On there. 1, 2, and 3. Cool. There we go. So again, that's where the fountain's going to go. And that is what we'll be doing on the next step in the next video. Yes. So, for now, thank you very, very much for joining me. Don't forget, like and subscribe. It is vastly important that you like and subscribe, with it being a little channel. Yes. And I will see you ready for step 8 on the next installment of Assembly Square. I love you all.